Hello everyone, welcome back to TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to delete TikTok account. So for that, first of all, open the TikTok application. Once you're at the home page of TikTok, you need to tap on the profile icon on the bottom right. Tap that. From there you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Then tap on setting and privacy. Inside setting and privacy, you need to tap on manage account on the top. Tap that. There at the end of the option, you will have delete account option. You tap on delete account. Why are you leaving TikTok? Now here you need to choose a reason for why you choose to delete your account. I'm just gonna tap it top one and then tap on continue. So here you can download all the TikTok data. You can tap on request download and you will get a copy of all your data before you can delete your account. You tap on the checkbox and then tap on continue. Delete this account. Your account will be deactivated for 30 days and won't be visible to public. So basically for 30 days your account will be deactivated, and if you did not log in within the 30 days your account will get permanently deleted afterward. Now if you are sure that you want to delete your account, you tap on continue. The final process for deleting your account is by providing the password. Type in the password and then tap on delete account. Are you sure you want to delete your account? You tap on delete, and with that your account for the TikTok will be deleted. Hope this video was useful on how you can delete your TikTok account. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.